you want to learn to love math again, go to Mr. Ng's website or to his YouTube channel. He will teach you to learn to love math again. Mr. Ng, the #1 math teacher in the whole world.
Alright, question number 12. A store sells used and new video games. New video games cost more than used games. Yes, that is true in stores. All used games cost the same, and all new video games also cost the same. Oh, that's a good place to go to. Omar spent a total of $84 on, or equals to, 4 used games. So I'm going to write 4, and then my variable U, what do you think that stands for? That is used video games. And 2 new video games. So plus 2, and then that's N. Sally spent $78 equals 6 used video games, 6 U plus 1N. So this is Omar's, this is Sally's, and Janet. Janet has $120. It's kind of weird. Goes on to the next sentence. Enter the number of video games Janet can purchase after she purchases 3 new games. So 3N plus, I'm not sure how many used video games she can get. And if you look at this problem, you have linear systems of equations. You have 2 variables, N for new games and U for used games. I'm going to use these 2 equations. We're going to solve them, and then we're going to figure out how much Janet can spend on used games. So let's write the 2 numbers right above it. Okay, so you can solve systems in multiple ways. You could use substitution, totally works. I'm going to choose elimination. I'm going to multiply the second equation by -2. If I multiply by -2 for this equation, I'm going to get 84 equals 4U plus 2N, and then I'm going to distribute this -2 to every single one of these terms. So I'm going to get -156 equals -12U, and then -2N. And then here, if I just add these 2 equations together, you'll notice that it eliminates one of my variables. It's eliminating my N variables. So if I add those together, 156 minus 84, I'm going to get 72. So -72 equals -8U. If I divide both sides by -8, I'm going to get U equals +9. 1 used game cost $9. So now you can pick any of these equations to work with. We know that a used game costs $9. I want to figure out how much a new game costs. You could pick any equation you want. I'm going to choose the one that says 78, just because the number for the new game is going to be so this right here is going to cost $9. 6 times 9 is 54. And if I subtract 54 from both sides, I'm going to get 24. One new game cost $24. Okay, so now we can go back to Janet's Let's go to Janet's. 120, 3N plus not sure how much used games she can buy. So if a used game costs 9, I'm going to put a 9 here. And an N value gets 24. So I have 120 equals 3 times 24 plus $9 for a new game, for a used game. So 120 equals 3 times 24 gives me 72. And I will subtract 72 from both sides. And I will get 48 equals 9 times the question mark. Okay, here's the question. I want to know how many used games, what's her name, Janet can buy. And so if I divide by 9 here, the number of games that can be bought is 5 times, because 5 times 9 is 45, and 48 minus 45 is a remainder of $3. So that means the answer is we can buy 5. 5 is your answer. So systems equations, a lot of work, but that's our answer. Good luck.
Do you love math? And if you do, make sure to check if you follow the 5th commandment. Thou shalt honor the correct order of operations. And if you love math, go check out Mr. Ng on YouTube and you can learn more math.